In this video, I achieved an important strategy by combining two indicators. And I tested this technique on daily Bitcoin time. First, go to the indicator section and search for SMA. And select Moving Average Simple. Then go to the settings of this indicator and change the settings like this. And again, go to the indicator section and search MACD and select Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Then go to the settings of this indicator and change the settings like this. Okay, now, we go to the techniques of using this strategy. Stay with us. To conditions for a buy signal. 1. When the candles go above the SMA. 2. When the MACD line breaks the zero line from bottom to top. To conditions for a sell signal. 1. When the candles go below the SMA. 2. When the MACD line breaks the zero line from top to bottom. For example, here we don't have a buy position because the price didn't break the SMA line and the MACD line is below the zero line. But here we have a buy position. And in this area is the best point to exit. And we made 30% profit in the first step. And in this area, we make a buying position. And here is our selling point. And in this wave we made 17% profit. And again, a buy position in this area. And selling in this area. I made 6% profit in this wave. A buy position with a strong candle. And in this area, we place a sell position. And we make a great profit of 57% with this big wave. Again, a buy position. And a sell position again, in a big wave. And a great profit again, 50%. And in the end we did not profit. I was able to make 160% profit with this strategy.